Hi friends, welcome to Code Hub. In this session, we will discuss about loops in Python and what is for loop and what is while loop. What is loop? Repeated structures allow the same piece of code to run multiple times. In a particular structured way, we have to run a multiple times in single piece of code is called looping. Two repeated structures in Python, for loop and while loop. The both loops are repeated things. For loop runs a set number of time. A particular number of times we have to use by using for loop. Otherwise, while loops can run as a long and specific logic condition is true. If a specific condition should be true, then that time while loop will be stops. Otherwise, it will be runs in a flow. The next one is for loop. For loops are in a components of many programming languages. A for loop is repeated structure where a section of code runs in a specific number of time. For example, color is a variable code. A list values, three list values we have red, green, blue. For loops will be applicable here. For I is a iterative. It means in a given list we have index values. Every index value should be have one iterative. It means I equals to index 1, index 2, index 3 like that. For index 1 in color, it should be closed in colon. Then it will print I. It will follow some sequence. It means run multiple times. We will see in Jupyter Notebook. Next, we will give some headings like we are doing loopings, the loops, shift enter, and checking. We have give some particular list values like colors equals to list. I like blue, comma red, comma green. We have to give three values in colors variable. Let's we will go for loop. For I have to choose iterative I in colors. Close with colon. Let's print I. In here we have some iterative values. It will print like iterative value. I have to choose first iterative value print. Then loop will be comes with for and let's print red. It will give some iterative value. It will looping like whenever the list value should be completed, that time should be runs this way. Let's check. Shift enter. Here we go. Blue can print it. Then next one is red, it will be printed. Then next green, it will be printed. If here we have how much list we have in that time, it will be printed. This is called for loop. And here we have break statement. What is break? With a break statement we can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. Let's some examples. And we have to do some break statements. Let's check. Num is a variable. We have to give some numbers 1 2 3 4 use for condition for I is a iterative value in numbers in a variable name close with column, and here we have to print I values. I values will run one by one till the 5 value, but I don't need to print 4 and 5. I need to stop here in 3 value. We will check. We have to use if condition. If I equal to equal till 3 close with semicolon, and break here, break the loop and shift enter. It will print till the 3. If I want to stop or I want to break some particular looping area, I want to use break statement to stop the statement or loop. And the next one is range function. Range function is called a range function returns a sequence of number, starts from 0 by defaultly and increasing by 1 its default, and ends at a specific number. I want to start with 0 to till I need some particular range. This is called ranging function. Some examples, like if I want to use for x is a iterative value in a range 5, print x what it should be happen. Let's see. For x in range of 5 close with the colon, and print x, what is happen? Here we go. Starts with 0 till with whatever the number I want to need it, that time it will be printed. It's 5 before the given range, and this is called range statement. And the next one, pause statement. For loop can't be empty. It means for loop cannot be emptied, but if you for some reasons have for loops with no content, put in the pause statement to avoid the getting an area error. It means we have to use pause statement to pausing the values should we need to till that. Let's see this. Check this example. We have to use in a tuple 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and using pause function. What it will happen? Let's check it. For I in 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, close with the columns, print pause, shift enter. It should be pause this value. If I want to skip this value, I need use pause function. And the next one is while loop. A while loop is a loop that runs long as a logical condition is true, then it will be works. If in case logical condition should be false, the while loop will be crashed. In we have to see in the example. We have to give I value like 1. While loop will be running I less than 6. The condition will be applicable. Print I. It means I less than 6. The print should be running. Why? It's a true. Then I plus equal to 1. It means I value increased 1 more 1. It means 1 plus 1 2. I is equal to 2. While condition should be agreed. 2 less than 6. It should be true. Then print I. One more time. Repeating. Then comes with 5. 5 plus 1. It means 6. 6 not less than 6. The condition should be false, then looping will be running out. Let's check in Jupyter. we will checking. We have to know I equals to 1, and while loop I less than 6, close with colon. We have to print I values, and condition should be happened here. I less equals to 1. That means if I is equal to 1 less than 6, print I. Next one I place 1. It means I will become more 1. I equal to 2. This is also true. Then print I. Next. What should be happen? Shift enter till I equals to 5. That time it will be printed till the 5. And here also we have using breaking statement. We have to know break statement will be break some particular looping area. Example I is equal to 1 while I less than 6. We have to use some condition print I. Here we have to use if statement. We need to print till 3. Till 3 should be completed, then break should be breaked, and I will be increase more 1. Then looping will be rotating till I equal to 3. Then I equal to 3 will be happen, then break statement should be stopped there. We will see in Jupyter notebook. We have to know I equal to 1, and the while loop should be I less than 6, close with the column, semicolon, and we have to give print I values, and here we have to use if statement. If I need to print till 3, close with the column, and here we have to use break statement. Break statement can use if I equal to 3, then it will be breaking, and the next one should be gives I less or equal 1. If we will check, it will be printed till 3 or not. Let's check it. Yes, here we are using breaking function by using if statement. What kind of statement we have to give? I equal to 3, then it will be happen, it will take some break like this. And the next one is continue statement. What is continue statement? We can stop current iterative and continue with the next one. Example, we have to give I is equal to 3 while I less than 6. If we have to know condition I place equal to 1, we have used if statement I equal to 3, then continue and print I. We will check in Jupyter notebook what is the continue statement can do, and we have to give I equals to 0, and the while function can be using I less than 6, close with the semicolon. Just we have give a next value should be added I less and equals to 1. Here we have to use if statement. What is if statement? I need to print till the 3 values, closing with column, and here we have to use continue statement. Continue statement, then we will print what I needed I. Let's check what is the continue statement. We will check what is continue statement. Shift enter. Here we go. We have to get the answer 1, 2, 4, by 6. It means the continuous statement is meaning of just remove these three values and print before 3 and after 3 values. And we have to see here also the continuous statement, we can stop the current iterative, means we can stop the current iterative I needed and continue with the next. It means continuous statement can stop, can stop the present iterative or current iterative value, and it will continue with the next one and printed before I have to currently have. And please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.